Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you writing task 1. This is for academic students. Okay, writing task 1. Usually writing consists of two parts. Task 1 and task 2. Task 1 you should spend about 15 to 20 minutes, and task 2 40 minutes, because task 2 has gives more marks compared to task 1. Okay, so task 1, there are different types of question, and today we'll discuss about diagrams or processes. Okay, diagram or process. So the basic structure of writing task 1 is basic structure. Basic structure is, first is intro, and the second one is overall or overview. Then the third one is body features, B1 and B2. No conclusion. Okay, no conclusion. This is very important. Always remember that in task 1 we should never write conclusion. Okay, now we'll begin with task 1. So the diagram. So in the exam they'll give you the diagram shows, or the diagram illustrates, like that they'll give the question. Diagram shows or illustrates in that way. Okay, for example, like manufacturing of steel rods and all. Example, manufacturing of steel rods. Okay, so in the diagram we should whenever we'll see the task 1, we'll have we should observe the diagram. Whatever is the task 1, whether it is a pie chart or a bar graph, anything. So first we should have time. First we should take some time to, sorry guys. So I'm sorry for that. So whenever we whenever we are getting task 1, we should take some time. Okay, and observe what is given in the task 1 and all. So in this we don't have anything. They'll just give direct question and some diagram. Okay, so in this what we have to do is we should observe what is there in the beginning. So beginning of the stages, then end of the stage or process, and then it consists of how many stages. Okay, so these are the things to observe in the diagram. What is that? Beginning of the stage, beginning of the stage or process, end of the stage or process, and how many stages are there. These are most important to observe in a diagram. Okay, now we'll come to the intro. In the intro, what we'll do? Intro is just paraphrasing of the question. Okay, In intro, we'll just paraphrase the question. So we can't change the data or anything in that. So what all we can write is the diagram. What all words we can use is the diagram illustrates, or the diagram shows, or the diagram explains. Then what else? Describe. The diagram describes. For example, like the diagram describes the manufacturing of steel rods, okay, in this something industry, okay. So this is about intro. Now coming to the second stage, that is overview. Overview is very important. This gives you, if you'll write overview, then only will have the chances of getting more than 6 bands. So overview is very important, okay. So in this overview, what we should write is, in diagram overview, we should write, it consists of, the diagram consists of how many stages. So we should begin it in this way. Overall, we can see that the process consists of this many stages. For example, like 4 stages. It won't be 4, like 7, like this. So 7 stages, beginning with and ending with some stage, okay. So this is the overview. This is very important. This is very simple and best overview, okay. Now coming to the this one, body paragraph. So body paragraph consists of, we should divide the body paragraph into two parts, body 1 and body 2. So in this one, what we should do is, they'll give in this there'll be a diagram. So like this, there'll be a straight diagram or a cyclic diagram, or like this, sigma, something like that. So this kind of diagrams will be there, okay. So in this, what we have to do is, I'll give you some important connectors, okay, how we should begin and write. If it's a it's following this pattern, like this pattern, then we can divide the diagram into 3 stages. This one stage, and this one is one stage, this one is one stage, this one is one stage, and the third and the final is this stage, okay. In this way you can divide. So in this, how we'll write is, we should write connectors. I'm telling you the important connectors, what all you should write. So connectors to follow is, we should begin like this. First of all, the process begins with, okay. Then we should write then next, then in the next stage, then following this, then subsequently, then also, then finally, okay. These are some of the connectors you should use, and you should write your body paragraph, okay. And in the coming videos, I'll completely write the essay and show you how to write it, okay. So this is about task 1. Then in my future videos, I'll show you different types of task 1, and I'll also show you how to write the complete diagram, the process, the writing task 1 of the process 1, okay, process diagram, okay. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.